Hello everyone. Today I will show you an easy guide on how to turn Lazada coins into wallet balance in 2025. Make sure to watch till the end to avoid missing any information. Let's get started with the video. First of all, open the Lazada app and make sure you're logged into your account. Then go to the Account tab. This is your profile section where you'll find key features. Now if your Lazada wallet isn't activated yet, tap the Activate button to enable it. This step is essential before converting coins. After that, check your Lazada coins balance. You need to make sure you have enough coins available for conversion. Next, select the Convert Coins option. This is where you can exchange your Lazada coins for wallet balance. Then confirm the conversion by choosing how many coins you'd like to convert and proceed with the process. Finally, once the coins are successfully converted, you can now use your wallet balance for purchases right within the Lazada app.